My name is Katie Libbs, and our family has been homeschooling for 7 years. Our family's from Georgia. We moved to Maryland 14 years ago. My husband's getting closer to retirement, and so we decided to relocate to Virginia last July. Stumbled into this amazing plethora of homeschooling resources and community that we did not have in Maryland at all. So I am brand new to leadership, and then this conference came along in my inbox. I was so excited that I had this leadership opportunity land in my inbox. I was like, I have to go to this conference. And then here I am, surrounded by an amazing community of people. Every single person that I've had the privilege to engage with has just been empowering and encouraging and supportive. I would say thank you to them personally, but I would also encourage everyone out in the community that I'm going to be working with is to get involved with HEAB and see how they too can help you feel empowered, not just to be the parent that is homeschooling your student, but also the parent that might step up to the next leadership spot like this.